What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys one of my biggest projects that I've been working on lately. I have created a new custom keyboard update. So as you guys know, one second, to use my custom keyboard you would have to use like a separate code. So like, let's say we want like a bunch of glitch boxes, right? You enable my code, and that's how we get like hacked symbols and all that. So now I upgraded it. Now look what it looks like now. So what the keyboard looks like now is when you come to this tab right here, we have a bunch of symbols. So like what I did is I removed all of the original symbols that were already here, and I just replaced them with a bunch of symbols that I wanted. So like, and they all work and they all show up. So yeah. Okay, so now I now have added a bunch of hacked symbols. So like here we have a bunch of little hacked symbols. By the way, I got these symbols off of a website. I'll leave the link in the description. I just took off the symbols off the website and then I just ported them using text format. So nothing too special, really. Can be easily done. And then I added some more symbols. This is just a little separate tab. It's not like filled all the way, but I just added some more symbols compared to the last one. I still plan on adding a lot more. But yeah, this is a very work in progress, meaning it's not done, and I plan on doing a lot more with it and all that. So it's not going to be done for a while yet, but it will be released in the next plugin. So I'm going to be adding like Japanese symbols and everything. It's going to be like the best custom keyboard. So thank you, subscribe and like.